Well, hello and welcome back, everybody. So I ran out of filament on my printer, but I have a plan that may or may not fix it. I don't know, because as you can see here, I can even point. I'm working on the Eiffel Tower right there, but I ran out of filament, but I have a little bit more here that may make it, and that print's almost done. So I need to I think I'm gonna modify the G-code. So I'm gonna cut out all the bits and bobs in between layers here. Now what I've measured out with my calipers here is 73.52, and that is at 2 layer heights per minus 0.3, because that's the starting layer, I believe, as you can see here. So if we do the math on that, which I haven't yet, just a second. Alright, I did the math. The initial layer was 0.2, so I just divided it. It should be 366 layers total. No, it's 366 layers I need to cut out from top and bottom. So I will get into Cura and then open up my Notepad++, and we will see it, okay? Okay, so now that we're in Cura, so since I did out the math, it has currently done 366 layers. So we need to crop out everything below 366. Everything below 367. So what we'll do here is we'll do Control F so we can find, and then you can see here this little syntax of the semicolon, layer, normal colon, 0. So we want to find 367. So then once we find that, we go right above it, we click on it, we go all the way back up to the top, and then we find where it begins, which is layer 0. Hold shift, click before that semicolon, and then just hit delete. So now that we've cropped out all of those layers, it's gonna start there, kind of. So the next thing we need to move is, let me see if I can find it here, because it's also gonna wanna go to Z15 right here. So we want to get rid of that too, because that's going to hit the print. Another thing you need to think of too when you're doing this is certain printers, like Delta printers, are perfect for this because their Z homes are at the top. So you really got to pay attention to your print, because when the normal FDM style home, it may hit the print. So you need to figure that you can actually not collide, so you have your actual print done. So now that we've cropped all that stuff out, you can save it, put it back in your card, and then you've got your rest of your print done. Alright, so 30 minutes later, it looks like it's making something. It's not as clean, I don't think. Let me check here. It should look roughly like that, but I'm not sure if it does. I guess it's kind of the same. It's kind of that messy. Well, I don't know how long this is actually going to take.